Today, you are going to be taught a technique called freeze frame, which means we can pause our video wherever we want and play it again. First, we enter our video into the timeline and place the cursor on the frame that is supposed to be frozen. There are 3 ways to freeze the desired frame. In the first method, right-click on the video and select Add Frame Hold. If we move the pointer, we can see that it is on the left side of our video and the frame is frozen on the right side. Now we can do whatever we want with this frozen frame. In the second method, we place the cursor on the frame that is going to be frozen, right-click it, and select Insert Frame Hold Segment. If we play the video, we will notice that the same method as the first one is repeated, with the difference that the continuation of the video is placed after the frozen frame. That is, the main video is placed on the left side, the freeze frame is in the middle, and the continuation of the video is on the right side. This method is more practical. What happens if we add music or audio to our video and repeat the second method? Right-click on the frame that is going to be frozen and repeat the second method. As you can see, the audio is cut and there is a gap in the middle of the audio. To solve this problem, we first lock the audio and repeat the second method. This time you will not see any change in the audio. In the third method, we place the cursor on the frame that is going to be frozen, and click Export Frame option from the program window. In fact, with this method, the target frame is exported. Here, we specify the frame name, format, and storage location. If we choose Import into Project, the exported frame will be saved in our project. Next, we select the razor tool, cut the video in the desired frame, and place the exported frame between the 2 existing videos. And as much as we want, we can make the display of this image longer or shorter using the Rate Stretch tool. To make the frozen frame display more attractive, we give the desired frame a keyframe. For example, at the start of displaying the image, we keep the scale at 100, and in the middle of displaying this image, we change the scale, and again at the end of displaying this image, we return the scale to the previous value. In the end, the video turns out like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow daily educational content. Thank you for supporting me by watching the video.